Hi everyone. Today there is some new greetings started with, and I was writing about anxiety today and trying to find out much more about the panic attacks, mental illnesses people are going through, and the reason behind it. Few reasons which I think about is like if we suppress ourselves so much that one day it leads to anxiety. This is the basic point. So I have written many thoughts about on this, and people messages, read about the messages. So they have spoken about that what they are going through, like they get very nervous, they don't like large groups. If they go in crowd, they try to avoid the crowd. And I was thinking about the open and closed places. It's like being at home, what we all do, and being in public or open space, being in a party, how we behave is what we can say about. So some people, while talking to others, they are very nervous. They think that others will think about them. They might not feel happy what they are speaking about. Other people may not like their topics. This is overthinking. Means we are thinking ahead before even talking to other people. Few people who need again and again reassurance from other people that everything will be fine. Few of them, they do very overeating at home. When these people are out in a social group, in a family function, they might not have food, or will have very less food in front of others, because their behavior, being nervous and thinking at that time what others will say, what others will think about if I'm overeating, or if I'm eating twice, if I go again and again to the stall and take again and again food. I mean, overthinker people, they can never imagine to go back to the stall and have food again. So we can know people who are very behaving very reserved in family functions. They might not be so reserved, they might be nervous. and they think that what others will think if I eat so much. When we are outside, we should eat less. If this can be for some person who don't have manners in public, people who are not following etiquettes, such statements are for them. But people who are very nervous, people who are going through some anxiety, stress, easily get panic, or are very hyper people, so they don't need to follow those rules which follows etiquettes, which have the rules to follow manners. Overthinker people already are so mannerful that they can have what they want to eat. This is the first statement, is how they're behaving. The second statement is, don't get stressed. We all are in the same place. What I like, I should have it because I am hungry, and I may not overeat, but sometimes I have to go twice because my one plate won't hold everything. First, I will have puri or chapati with sabji. Then, second time, I will go again to have dal and rice. So, this is how our Indian wedding functions. If we see, a third time, you can go again to have Chinese. This is, I just got a flash. Remember that we can go third time, and then fourth time when we finish our food, the fourth time when we go for having ice cream, that also we can go and have. I'm saying about my learning in this way, that even I used to be very nervous person. Going in family function, I used to have very less food and return, empty stomach, because I used to be very shy about how will I take. Here, as we know, in India, marriage functions, they usually follow the buffet system. So in buffet, we are supposed to go, take, help ourselves, take whatever we want, and then come back. So now the varieties have changed. Now they have started with starters at your place where you're sitting. Then starters, you have to go to the stall and have the starters. That is the second item. Then the third part is having the dinner. Then the fourth part is ice cream, or the mouth freshener, pan, masala, etc., etc. Whatever you will feel as in the end of the food, what we have as a dessert, then we choose in this way. Nowadays, people know much more about what they didn't know earlier. How to have certain things at what time it is correct. But still, there are people who are not following, or if I say the word following, it will show like somebody is trying to change you. No, we are just talking about, you may be some anxious person, you want something, but you have the fear, or you are so shy about the other people. Why we have to see the other eyes, the eye contact? If the other people are watching us, the eyes hurt us so much that we are so fearful person that what I like, I don't have it. This is a simple statement I'm saying about food in family function and having food at home. So you can easily judge and see today's social media. They always say how we behave in public, so reserved, materialized, so mannerful, how they walk. But how they walk when they are alone, how they are so relaxed, if no one is watching. Why we required some messages to say, dance like nobody is watching you, eat like nobody is watching you. Watching. So it's about watching. And such things, people, there are kinds of people who can be stressed about anything, because their behavior you will come to know. Some people may be very pleasing person who wants to please others so much that on their way they become so depressed. They go way out to do things. Stop yourself. Think. We don't need to please everyone. Why we got the message? We cannot make everyone happy. Few people who go outside for the very first time are unable to book things. First thing, that they don't know how to do things outside, because they feel that other people are so educated and we don't have the knowledge what they have. So I would like to tell here about, the message is, if we think that others are so knowledgeable and we are not, then first thing we have to check whether really the person is in that way. We may be thinking that the person may be very wise or negative, but the person may be very approachable. If we go out to public places, people are very polite, and if we are approaching in a way that please help me, I don't know so and so, they will always help you, because this is what humans are. If somebody asks for help, ask for guidance, everybody will guide. So don't think they are so knowledgeable and we are not, till we go and ask how we will gain knowledge. They are experienced in their work and they have gained the knowledge. Just reaching there and thinking that they are knowledgeable, but they are or have done so much of hard work, and I won't gain such knowledge just in few minutes. So better I leave this thinking that they are knowledgeable because they are working on it. I don't have the knowledge because it was not required earlier. But today, when I am here, I need guidance. I am here to know things. So I will go ahead and request, learn, and go ahead without having fear. We should not have fear. So, anxious people, they try to be alone at home. They try to avoid people coming to or their place or at home. Few people who are fighting with depression, maybe otherwise, they may be thinking, I'm going through this, but I have to fight, as this is my own problem. I have to fix these problems on my own. No one understands me, as this is my responsibility to overcome this illness. I don't require anyone, or I don't need anyone to command me at this situation. This is the other people. So we may see there are many people with many thinkings. One people who accept professional help, who accept other words from other people. The words which will change from the words which will come from other people, and I accept it and I'm ready to change as professional help. So few people are in such a way, but few people who are so engrossed or so much that they don't know and not ready to accept, and or I can say or they don't know that they can take help of other people to come out of this problem. And I will tell you, the people who are the otherwise, who are not ready to take words from other people, these people are very sensitive, and you need to know how to speak to such people so that you can remove all the problems from them, because they are going through some depression, anxiety. So we have also seen many people who are not ready to talk about what problem they are facing in their life, because the other people will start commanding, they won't understand, and they will start giving one or the other things without understanding that this problems needs some understanding to such a level where this people say, yeah, I understand, and we will come out of it. Otherwise the other person won't have got into depression. Why? Because he's been surrounded by such people, because he know, oh, I can't approach this person, he will say so and so. I can't approach so and so people because they are very soft hearted person. I can't approach this people, they are very rough in speaking. I can't approach these people, they may manipulate and spread the news in the public, and I don't want such statements to go out. So these are the various reasons. There may be more, if we know, if we can much more learn about the person who is in depression and why he's not speaking about his problem which is leading him in depression. Either you understand the problem is so big that he is so scared that he cannot speak, because ultimately he may land in some more trouble, and or wherever end comes, I should say, or the person is in depression because there is something very big inside it, and he cannot name the people, because the other people will say in हिंदी कि हम उससे पंगा नहीं ले सकते, और let's forget it. So I am trying to forget. Why you are asking then about my problem? If I had this answer, wanted this answer, why did you ask me about my problems? The problem is so big that you have to understand first, then you have to go through and find out the ways to remove that problem from my life. Otherwise I can handle my depression. So these are the thinkings, and these are the people, and these are the ways. Some people may mix this and that mix. So I gave you the answers the people may be answering. So don't think the anxious person going through so much of stress, person who is repeating things and trying to be rude just to avoid people. Just understand. So if you understand the behavior, why they're trying to be rude, revolting, repeating things, ignoring people, don't know what they are doing, sometimes they are very absent minded, sometimes they are very calm, trying to be with the family, but just in 1 minute there are some other person, and you won't understand the behavior. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि पल में तोला पल में मासा इज अ सेइंग, कि थोड़ी देर पहले तो आप ऐसे थे और थोड़ी देर के बाद आप ऐसे हो गए. तो ये जो कहावत है, इसको हम एक इलनेस के थ्रू भी देख सकते हैं कि पल में तोला पल में मासा, जिसका अर्थ कुछ और होता है अगर कहावत का अर्थ लोगों ने जो बताया है. लेकिन यहाँ पे कहावत का अर्थ ये है कि पहले आपका बिहेवियर तो अलग था, फ्रेंडली था, बस सडनली आप इतने बेचैन लग रहे हैं और घबरा रहे हैं, आपको किसी से बात नहीं करना है, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप रूड हो गए हैं. तो ये चीज़ें दिस पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू. ओके, दिस पीपल मीन्स people who have some problems. This is how I have written about few things, and so that I don't forget. Today I am saying and so much that I am getting highlighted on and only. I don't want to end now. Okay, and an end, a and d and e and d end. So many ends. So when we think things won't come back, return, to our surprise it will return. When we think we have lost our enemy, which is in our behavior, but that enemy may return with more additions. We just need to require who is the enemy inside me and what he is teaching me. Either he is teaching me or he himself is imposing and speaking out. The enemy is in all of us, commanding people to behave more negative way, much more negative way. So we have to know as soon as we get angry that I am not doing this, I never wanted this, but the enemy is provoking me. Something inside me is provoking me about others. And I stop this video here and I end this video here. Start with other video. Let's see what I speak in my next video, and this end should end here.